Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. Super happy you're here because we are digging into my latest Transcend collection. And it is a heavy big box. You can tell we're getting into the colder weather months. It is super heavy. If you're new, I'm Laura. White is white puppy dog. Xena's the tan if you see her. She's hiding in the house right now. Harvey's the kitty. We sure hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Transcend is a styling service through the store Evereve, and they put your items into outfits, which I love. You get a dedicated stylist. There is a $20 styling fee. If you keep 4 or more, you get 10% off. And you typically get 7-ish items. I think the more you buy, the more you get. But you usually get around that 7-ish item mark. All right, so right inside my box, I have notes from my stylist. My stylist is Haley, and she rocks. She is always amazing. You get your pricing sheet. You'll get a return label if you have shoes, which I think I do. Otherwise, you get a bag to put anything in that you don't want to keep. They do accessories, shoes, clothes. It is so much fun. They do have expensive items, so if you want to stay away from the pricey items, just let them know your budget so they'll pick items that are in the price range that you would like. So let's get started. First bundle. You can also go to the Evereve site and you can put items on your wish list. And if your email is the same on the Evereve site as it is on the Transcend site, your stylist can see those items and then you can request them. It makes it easier. But sometimes she'll throw them in even if you don't. So first up is the Evereve Sammy pullover. This is a little short sleeve sweater. That is pretty. Oh, then we have the Evereve Zuri faux leather tee. This is really cute. I like that. And then we have a pair of Pistola high-rise linen crop boots, but with some attitude here in this snake print. I like those. That's a really cute outfit. We're off to a great start. Next bundle. I think this looks like a single item. Is this a bag? So it is called the Sky's the Limit Small Tote by Sol and Celine. You see it has this little dust bag here. It's all wrapped in tissue paper. Let's check this out. Oh, and it's in a denim look. How adorable is that? The bottom is a night's width. You could fit a lot in there. And we're going to open this up. Oh, it has the snap. It even has an extra little bag inside. It has a thicker strap so you can do crossbody. All the things. Check that out. It's be good, nice for traveling. That is super cute. Let me know what you think of that. All right, next. Oh, I see something I think I requested last year and did not get, so I added it again this year. So I'm excited to dig into that. Here's my bundle. And it is this aviator jacket. This is so cute. It is by Evereve and it's called the Aviator Bomber. How adorable is this? It looks leather and like all worn in, but it's all soft and yummy. That is so fun. I'm so glad she got this for me. Grabbed it. Then we have something from Faherty. This is the sun-washed sweater vest. That's adorable. What is this? This is by Evereve and is the Kylie iCat blouse. Has a little keyhole or a little tie there, I guess, right? Yeah, little tie, and the keyhole has ruffling down the sleeve, elastic at the wrist. And then the Citizens of Humanity Isla baggy cuffed crop. Says it sits at the high hip, relaxed rise, roomy cuffed legs. Yes, we're supposed to cuff this. Those are cute. All right. Next up. And I did not get any shoes. There's no shoes, but I'm putting everything back in this box. They gave me a label. All right, this is the Elevated Cardigan by Sanctuary. That's really pretty. That's a nice weight. Oh, and she paired it with this fun Billy Joel Daydreamer tee. How cute is that? I like that. Just plain on the back. And then these are by Pistola, and they're the mid-rise bowed straight, but with some major pizzazz here going on. Check out all these grommets. What do you think of that? Around the pocket, the waistband, the leg. I don't know about that. Okay, and I have, it looks like, 2 more things. Oh, this I put on my wish list. This is by Evereve, and it's this vegan leather dress. What's it called? It's called the Elliot Tiered Dress. I thought this was adorable. Check this out. So it does have a waist, and these are buttons down the front. See the tiering? In this awesome vegan leather. How cute is that? I'm enjoying that. And it's very comfy as well. It's not stiff at all. It's like broken in leather, it feels like. And it looks like my last item is something, an accessory. I think a belt. Yep. This one is called the Cheyenne Croc Belt. That is adorable. Oh, I like that. All right. This is going to be a fun try on. Let's do it. First outfit. All right, I have on the snake print pants, and I cannot tell you how amazing these are. They fit wonderful. They have some stretch and give to them. They're hitting me right at my ankle. I love the pop of the red with the belt, and then she gave me 2 tops to wear with this. So this one and the leather one we're going to try on. I think this whole outfit is so elevated. I love it. You could wear this now and then wear it into the fall and winter as well. This belt is adorable. Love the snake print on it, but it doesn't really conflict with the pattern here, so it just looks like a red pop. And then I wasn't sure I was going to like this, because I typically, honestly, do not like short sleeve sweaters. I feel like the time frame in which you can wear them is so limited, so I have very few of them. But this one is very comfortable, and it does hit all the way down here at the elbow, which is nice. It has a very stretchy, comfy fabric, not too high on the neck. A great neutral. I did a front tuck, but you could tuck the whole thing. Yeah, I love this whole outfit. All right, so let's start with the Cheyenne Croc belt. I'm wearing an extra small, $58, but one of my amazing subscribers used my referral, so thank you so very much. I so appreciate it. Anytime you click a link, click like, click subscribe, all of that helps me out. And that means that anything I keep from this box, I'll get 20% off. And then you get the 10% on top of that if you keep 4 or more. So huge thank you for everyone who takes the time to do that. So that means that my price would be $46.40. Then for the Pistola Linen Crop Boot in Python, I'm wearing a 26, which is my normal size. $168, my price would be $134.40. And then, of course, if I keep 4 or more, again, remember that extra discount comes off. And then for this Sammy Pullover by Evereve, I'm wearing an extra small. $98, and my price would be $78.40. Let me know what you think. So now I swapped out my top for the vegan leather version. This one it's right below the waistband, so I just did a front tuck. I think it would be hard to keep a full tuck in. This feels really nice on. It has some give and stretch, so it's very comfy. So I love this one as well. All right, so for this one, it is called the Zuri Faux Leather Tee. It's by Ever Eve. $78 the regular price. My price $62.40. Next outfit. All right, so now I have on the Citizens Isla pant. I have on the Ever Eve blouse. The belt I put back on as well here. And this amazing aviator bomber jacket. This is such a great fall look. So I tried these without the cuff first. They are a little bit long. I'll have to wear a little bit of a higher heel. This one's a very low heel. I would need a little bit of a higher heel if I'm going to wear these down. You can see they are wider leg. They have a nice drape to them. Of course, I had my heels on. They're comfortable, relaxed. This is like you're sleeping in jammies. That's how comfortable these pants are. Then this jacket, oh, so amazing. So it has the pockets down here. I wish you could feel this because it doesn't feel like leather. It just feels like a comfy, cozy cardigan. It has snaps, which I love, instead of buttons. And then the blouse. This one is really cute. So it has a ties, which you can tie or leave untied. So here's what it looks like tied. That's a little high for me, so that's why I didn't go for that, but you could do that. Or loosen it up a little bit so it's just tied somewhere a little bit lower. Has the elastic at the wrist. I think it's very pretty. I like the colors. Elevates your look. Be great for in office. And for this one, the Citizens of Humanity Isla cuff, $258. My price would be $206.40, and we're going to cuff them in the next look. Then we have the Ever Eve Kylie iCap blouse. I'm wearing an extra small. I'm wearing a size 26, my normal size, in the Citizens. This blouse is an extra small. It is by Ever Eve. $88. My price would be $70.40. And then for this amazing jacket, this is the Aviator Bomber in brown. It also comes in black. I'm wearing an extra small. It's by Ever Eve, $168, and my price would be $134.40. Next look. So now I'm wearing these Isla denim with a 3-inch double cuff. This is how my stylist suggested it. I think that it looks really adorable this way. Let me know what you think. It's right at the ankle then. Shows how relaxed they are. Super comfy. And then put on this adorable vest by Faherty. So it is a crew neck. It's very comfy. You could pair it over top of the blouse. I just went without. Kept the belt on. And then we are going to throw on the bomber. I love this bomber so much. For another great fall look. And you could probably even turn down this collar if you wanted. You could leave it standing up. Totally up to you. So cute, right? All right, so for the Faherty Sunwashed Sweater Vest in white shell, I'm wearing an extra small, $138. My price would be $110.40 if I chose to keep it. Next look. All right, we know vegan leather is hot this season, and this is such a nice way to do it. Check out the seaming detail here. It has the tiered bottom, buttons the whole way down the front. It's a nice midi length. It feels amazing on. Check this out. How cute is this? And then paired back to this little denim bag. Adorable. You could also do crossbody with it if you wanted. This is adorable. Like this one, the Sol and Celine Sky's the Limit Small Tote in dark denim. One size, it says, of course, 120. My price would be $96 if I choose to keep it. And then the Ever Eve Elliott tiered dress in black. I'm wearing an extra small, 148. My price would be $118.40. What do you think about this one? Next up now, we have on the final outfit. So the Pistola Stud denim, which this is the accent of the season, according to my stylist. The studs are super in. And these are a really nice length. They have a little bit of a bow, but I don't think it's too bad. I think they, kind of sit more straight. This pair does not fit me. So I have on the 26, which is my normal size. It is definitely pulling through here, so they're more of a slim cut. So I will need to size up if I keep these. No stretch, no give. So they're just like a regular cotton denim. And then paired it back to this awesome cardigan over the graphic tee. This is a great cardigan. This is also a great work from home look because when you're on meetings and don't want to see a graphic, you could just button it up. And then whenever you go out, you got your non-work look going on. This cardigan is super soft, very cozy, the nice pop of red. Be great for Christmas as well. Picturing it over top of something sparkly. Pockets, you can see that ribbing detail in there. So cute. And then last, a Daydreamer tee, basic tee, fun pops of color, Billy Joel. Yeah, I think this is a fun look. You could also add the bag and finish the look. It works. That's all my pieces. Pricing for this, the Pistola Lexi bow leg with studs. I'm wearing the 26 as I mentioned. $198. My price would be $158.40. The Sanctuary elevated cardigan in red. I'm wearing an extra small, $99. My price would be $79.20. And the Daydreamer Billy Joel on the Tour ringer. I'm wearing an extra small, $84. My price would be $67.20. And that is all the pieces. What did you think? What are the keepers? This was fun, right? I love Transcend. I love their elevated casual. It's my vibe. I love it. I'll put my link to Transcend down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. You can work directly with your stylist to let her know what your preferences are, your budget is, and they will definitely find pieces that work for you, as well as your lifestyle. I'll list all the items down below as well in case you'd like to just shop those pieces and check them out on their site. I can't wait to hear what your favorites are, so please do comment down below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.